Get ready to transform your boring rooftop into your own private paradise. We're talking about creating a stunning, lush green and seriously stylish rooftop garden that will be the envy of everyone you know. Forget the concrete jungle. We're bringing the jungle to you. In this video, we're diving into the most luxurious and modern rooftop garden designs trending in modern world. We'll show you how to mix vibrant colors, incredible patterns, and lush greenery to create a breathtaking escape right above your head. Get ready to be inspired and learn how to build your very own stylish sanctuary in the sky. Design 1. The monochromatic oasis. Create a serene and sophisticated look by using various shades of a single color, like green. Layer different plant textures, from the soft fronds of ferns to the bold leaves of a fiddle leaf figure. This creates a calming, unified, and deeply lush environment. Design 2. The Mediterranean escape. Transport yourself to the coasts of Italy with terracotta pots, olive trees, and fragrant lavender. Use blue and white patterned tiles for a pop of color, and add comfortable loungers for that perfect sun-kissed vibe. It's a timeless look that's both rustic and incredibly chic. Design 3. The urban jungle. Go wild with a dense planting of large-leaf tropical plants like monsteras and palms. Use sleek, dark-colored planters to make the vibrant green foliage pop. This style is all about creating a dense, immersive, and incredibly private green space. Design 4. The Hamptons Hideaway. Achieve a classic upscale look with crisp white planters and furniture. Plant beautiful blue and white hydrangeas, climbing roses, and manicured boxwood hedges. It's a clean, elegant, and timeless design for luxurious relaxation. Design 5. The Scandinavian Retreat. Focus on minimalism and functionality with clean lines and natural materials. Use light-colored wood for decking and built-in benches, paired with simple geometric planters. The greenery should be simple and elegant, like ornamental grasses and crawling ivy. Design 6. The Parisian Balcony. Bring the romance of Paris to your rooftop with wrought iron furniture and window boxes overflowing with colorful geraniums and petunias. Add a small bistro table and chairs for a charming spot to enjoy your morning coffee. This design is effortlessly chic and charming. Design 7. The Miami Modern. Embrace bold, vibrant colors with fuchsia bougainvillea and bright accent pillows on sleek, white modular sofas. Incorporate dramatic uplighting to highlight architectural plants like agave and bird of paradise. This is the perfect style for entertaining and making a statement. Design 8. The English Cottage Charm. Create a whimsical and romantic garden with a mix of colorful, flowering perennials like delphiniums, foxgloves, and daisies. Use charming, weathered containers and let plants spill over pathways. This style is all about creating a feeling of abundance and natural beauty. Design 9. The Zen Garden Sanctuary. Design a peaceful retreat with elements of a traditional Japanese garden. Use bamboo for screening, smooth river stones, and a small water feature for tranquil sounds. Keep the plant palette simple with Japanese maples, moss, and carefully pruned bonsai. Design 10. The Hollywood Glam. Think old Hollywood glamour with luxurious fabrics, metallic accents, and dramatic lighting. Use oversized glossy black or gold planters for statement plants. Add a stylish outdoor bar cart and plush seating for the ultimate entertainment space. Design 11. The Eco-Chic Haven. Focus on sustainability with reclaimed wood, recycled materials, and native drought-tolerant plants. Incorporate a vertical herb garden for a farm-to-table experience. This style proves that being environmentally friendly can also be incredibly stylish. Design 12. The Color-Blocked Courtyard. Make a bold statement by grouping plants and decor by color. Have a section of fiery reds and oranges next to a cool blue and purple area. This creates a visually stunning and dynamic garden that is full of energy and personality. Design 13. The Southwestern Sunset. Capture the beauty of the desert with a variety of succulents and cacti in rustic, textured pots. Use warm, earthy tones for your textiles and add a fire pit as a central gathering spot. This low-maintenance style is both rugged and incredibly stylish. Design 14. The Art Deco Terrace. Incorporate geometric patterns in your flooring, planters, and even your plant choices. Use a symmetrical layout with bold, contrasting colors like black, white, and gold. This style is perfect for creating a sophisticated and highly stylized outdoor room. Design 15. The floating forest. Create the illusion of a floating forest by using raised planters and trellises of varying heights. Plant climbing vines like jasmine and wisteria to create a fragrant canopy overhead. This adds a magical, three-dimensional quality to your rooftop garden. So there you have it. 15 incredible ideas to turn your rooftop into a lush, green, and stylish masterpiece. Remember, your rooftop is a blank canvas, so don't be afraid to get creative and design a space that truly reflects your personal style. We hope you're feeling inspired to start cultivating your own little piece of paradise in the sky. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to QS Tube for more stunning ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.